Is it time to buy or sell Walmart stock? In this video, we will delve deeply into Walmart. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Walmart as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 7% since we initially recommended purchasing Walmart 10 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.7% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the most recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's upcoming direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken the horizontal trend upwards. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction down to the break line at approximately $100.20 is considered to be a second chance to seize a potential runner. However, it is important that volume supports the price, as false breaks may occur and it could revert back into the horizontal trend. According to the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach $105.98 sometime during the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 0.313% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 8.36% to negative 2.75%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 24.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 7.70% and 39.85% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $111.32 and $144.55. Our latest daily update for Walmart includes the headline, Walmart's stock price ended at $103.36 on Wednesday, after gaining 4.08%. The Walmart stock price gained 4.08% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, rising from $99.31 to $103.36. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.25%, with a day low at $99.46 and a day high of $103.69. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.03% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 20 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2 billion and $20 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $105.30, and the lowest price was $66.67. Currently, the price is 1.84%, or $1.94, below the 52-week high of $105.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Walmart remains a significant focus in the investment community, with reports showcasing its strong performance and strategic initiatives. As the largest company in the United States by sales, Walmart adeptly navigates competitive pressures from technology and artificial intelligence giants, maintaining its retail supremacy. Recent analysis highlights 3 compelling reasons why investors are gravitating toward Walmart stock, underlining its solid market position. In its most recent earnings report, Walmart displayed resilient growth despite facing economic challenges, such as tariffs and inflation. With revenue increasing 2.5% year over year to $165.6 billion, and adjusted earnings also on the rise, Walmart's scale and supply chain efficiency seem to provide a buffer against market headwinds establishing it as a reliable long-term investment. This resilience has led to a significant increase in stock price, reflecting a positive sentiment among investors. Furthermore, Walmart's international strategy, particularly with Flipkart and its operations in China, plays a vital role in enhancing e-commerce and logistics growth, adding additional layers of value. Recently, as its stock has outperformed many competitors, the wealth of the Walton family has surged, indicating strong confidence in Walmart's future, another factor contributing to positive stock movement. In the short term, ongoing strategic initiatives and favorable market reactions may help sustain momentum for Walmart stock. Long-term prospects appear even more promising as Walmart continues to leverage its strengths to innovate and adapt within a shifting retail landscape. This comprehensive approach is likely to impress both investors and analysts, potentially resulting in a sustained rise in stock value. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 9th of June 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned WMT an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, Telsey Advisory also rated WMT as outperform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, RBC Capital rated WMT as outperform but issued a downgrade. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Citigroup rated WMT as buy with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, Bernstein rated WMT as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Walmart stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Walmart. The Walmart stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $99.24 and $97.04. If the stock price falls below either of these levels, it would generate sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, July 11th, 2025, and since then the stock has appreciated by 9.49%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Walmart. Walmart finds support from accumulated volume at $98.24, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.23 between its high and low, which is approximately 4.25%. During the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 2.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Walmart, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 72 cents. it's crucial to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Walmart. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and utilizing volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Walmart encounters its first support level at $98.24. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Walmart from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of August in the year 2025, Rainey John D. conducted an insider sale of 2,113 shares of common stock. On the same day, Rainey John D. also sold 87 shares of common stock. On the 24th day of July in the year 2025, Macmillan C. Douglas carried out an insider sale of 19,416 shares of common stock. On the 21st day of July in the year 2025, McLay Catherine J. sold 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 17th day of July in the year 2025, Ferner John R. conducted an insider sale of 13,125 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 94.061. Overall, insiders purchased 2,148,134 shares and sold 29,960,263 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $98.36, representing a decline of 4.84%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which contributes to a low risk profile. However, the relative strength index over the past 14 days stands at 89, significantly increasing the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Walmart stock a good buy? Walmart exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain their positions or accumulate more shares while monitoring future developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we anticipate Walmart will open lower by $1.19, starting its trading at $102.17. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.